You studied for hours last night, but by tomorrow, your brain will delete almost 70% of it. Sounds shocking, right? This is called the forgetting curve, a concept discovered by psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus. He found that our brain forgets information very quickly if we don't review it. In fact, most of what you learn disappears within 24 hours. But here's the interesting part. Your brain is not broken. It's actually working exactly as it's designed to. Your brain constantly filters information to save energy. If something is not used, it gets deleted. So the real problem is not forgetting. The problem is how you study. Most students use passive methods like rereading or highlighting. These methods feel productive, but they don't stop forgetting. So how do you beat the forgetting curve? The answer is simple: spaced repetition. Instead of studying once and forgetting everything, you review the same information at specific intervals. For example, review after 1 day, then after 3 days, then after 7 days. Each time you review, your brain strengthens the memory and the forgetting curve becomes flatter. Another powerful method is active recall. Instead of reading again, close your book and try to remember the information. Ask yourself questions. Write what you remember. This forces your brain to retrieve information, making it stronger. When you combine spaced repetition with active recall, your memory improves dramatically. So the next time you study, don't just read, train your brain to remember. And one more thing, save this video, because if you don't, your brain will probably forget it too.